Top 10 Pickup Trucks in the Philippines. At number 1. Chevrolet Colorado. Chevrolet Colorado Philippines is a midsize pickup truck that is one of the first to break the 500 Nm mark in terms of torque figures. Labeled as the king of torque after its introduction, Chevrolet comes in 9 variants. The top variant of Colorado is powered by the 2.8 liters 4x4 at High Country Storm, a 2,776cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 200 horsepower of power and 500 Nm torque. The 5-seater Colorado 2.8 liters 4x4 at 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. For added safety are provided central locking and power door locks. Colorado is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. The Chevrolet Colorado Philippines SRP price start from 1,200,000 pesos to 1,638,888 pesos. At number 2. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger is a stylish and muscular midsize pickup truck from Ford and part of the truck wars that have been waged in the Philippines. Characterized by its wide stance and beefy appeal, Ranger is available with manual and automatic transmission, depending on the variant. The Ford Ranger is offered diesel engine in the Philippines. The top variant of Ranger is powered by 2.0 liters bi-turbo FX4 Max 4x4 AT 10-speed comes with automatic transmission. For added safety are provided central locking and power door locks. Ford Ranger SRP price 1,155,000 to 1,728,000 pesos. At number 3. Ford Ranger Raptor. Ford Ranger Raptor, the bigger brother to the Ranger. The top variant of Ranger Raptor is powered by the 2.0 liters bi-turbo and 1996cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 210 horsepower of power and 500 Nm torque, and 10-speed automatic transmission have been calibrated to deliver next-level off-road capability. The Ranger Raptor features a new coil spring rear suspension that uses a Watt-Link setup for better ride handling and greater lateral control. It also has a set of Fox shock absorbers for fun outside the paved roads. The Ford Ranger Raptor SRP price is 1,998,000 pesos. At number 4. Isuzu D-MAX. The Isuzu D-MAX Philippines entry to the midsize pickup truck. The D-MAX inherited the reliability of the Fuego and its other predecessors, but with more safety and convenience features to fit the Filipino lifestyle. D-MAX is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. Also, depending on the variant and fuel type, the D-MAX has a fuel consumption of 16.33 km per liter, 18.23 km per liter on highway. The top variant of D-MAX is powered by the 3.0 4x4 LSE at a 2,999cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 187 horsepower of power and 450 Nm torque. 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. The Isuzu D-MAX SRP price is 857,000 pesos to 1,825,000 pesos. At number 5. Maxus T60. The Maxus T60 in the Philippines is a midsize pickup that comes in a double cab layout. It is the first Chinese-made pickup that comes with 6 airbags. It rides on a ladder-on-frame chassis and can be had in either 4x2 or 4x4 drivetrain layout. The Maxus T60 comes in 3 variants. The top variant of T60 is powered by the Elite 4x4 at a 2,776 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 148 horsepower of power and 360 Nm torque. The 5-seater 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. T60 is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. The Maxus T60 SRP price is 998,000 pesos to 1,328,000 pesos. At number 6. Mazda BT-50. Mazda BT-50, a sporty truck with a go-anywhere attitude. Mazda Philippines has also given its pickup a special upgrade in the form of the Pangolin Edition. This gives the vehicle more off-road features and a unique look that sets it apart from the regular variants. Mazda BT-50 comes in a total of 3 variants. The top variant of BT-50 is powered by the 3.2 liters 4x4 at a 3,198 cc, 5-cylinder diesel engine that fires 197 horsepower of power and 470 Nm torque. BT-50 is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. The BT-50 is a 5-seater pickup truck. 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. For added safety are provided central locking and power door locks. The Mazda BT-50 SRP price is 1,350,000 pesos to 1,550,000 pesos. At number 7. Mitsubishi Strada. The Mitsubishi Strada is athletic, agile, and sporty yet promising to conquer any country roads. Quality is emphasized on the interior with soft pad materials. Mitsubishi comes in 7 variants. The top variant of Strada is powered by the Athlete 4WD at a 2,396 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 179 horsepower of power and 430 Nm torque. The Strada is a 3 and 5-seater pickup truck. 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. Strada is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. The Mitsubishi Strada SRP price is 815,000 pesos to 1,760,000 pesos. At number 8. Nissan Navara. The Nissan Navara is a mid-size pickup truck and is the culmination of the brand's 80 years of experience in making some of the best pickup trucks in the world. With its comfortable ride, Nissan comes in 8 variants. The top variant of Navara is powered by the 2.5 liters Pro 4X at 4x4 a 2,488 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 187 horsepower of power and 450 Nm torque. The 5-seater 7-speed comes with automatic transmission. The Nissan Navara SRP price is 1,149,000 pesos to 1,849,000 pesos. At number 9. SsangYong Musso. The SsangYong Musso is all kinds of refined and classy with its upmarket interior and its refined ride thanks to a multi-link rear suspension. The SsangYong Musso is the South Korean brand's ticket to the booming midsize pickup truck segment in the Philippines. It is the product of SsangYong and Daimler-Benz collaboration. Musso is the Korean term for rhinoceros, which should translate to power and rigidity being its concept. SsangYong comes in a total of 4 variants. The top variant of Musso is powered by the SWB 4x2 at a 2157 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 179 horsepower of power and 420 Nm torque. The 5-seater 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. Musso is available with automatic and manual transmission depending on the variant. Also, depending on the variant and fuel type, the Musso has a fuel consumption of 11.62 km per liter on highway. The SsangYong Musso SRP price is 1,180,000 pesos to 1,650,000 pesos. At number 10. Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux, a pickup whose name is renowned all over the world for being one of the hardiest and reliable workhorses for any task. The Japanese brand has recently given the vehicle a refresh, which gave it more power and added more features to it to keep it up to date. It remains one of the top picks for Filipinos also because of the strength of the Toyota brand in the country. The Toyota Hilux comes in a total of 13 variants. The top variant of Hilux is powered by the Conquest 2.84x4 AT, a 2755 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that fires 201 horsepower of power and 500 Nm torque. 6-speed comes with automatic transmission. Hilux is available with manual and automatic transmission depending on the variant. The Hilux is a 3- and 5-seater pickup trucks. The Toyota Hilux SRP price is 843,000 pesos to 1,850,000 pesos. Thank you for watching.